Okay, so I just got back from the dentist, and I can't, like, make that fart noise, like, my smile's crooked. I'm drooling. I give up.